Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome back to the QA Automation Studio. In this Playwright Beginner Tutorial 200 video series, we will learn a Playwright step by step with a real example, best practices, and interview-oriented concepts. So let's discuss today's video agenda. So the first one is we will going to discuss what is a playwright, then why playwright is so popular, and then third is playwright versus Selenium high level overview, and who should learn this playwright course, and fifth one is complete. I will show you a complete playwright roadmap overview, and then sixth how to watch this series tutorial series, and seventh is what you will learn specific to this phase 1 series. Yeah, so let's start. What is a playwright? So playwright is an open source automation testing framework developed by Microsoft. So basically it is used to automate web application across multiple browsers. So it is supported Chromium, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, as well as Safari, which is known as a WebKit. So as this Playwright supports multiple languages, which contains JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Java, and .NET. So mainly we will focus this series with the JavaScript. Now let's understand why Playwright is high demand. So Playwright is popular because it is very fast as compared to other tools, and also it provided auto-wait features. Also, it supports cross-browser testings, and with the Playwright, the parallel executions becomes very easy. And then it provided built-in test runners. Also, it provided multiple reports features, and also it has excellent support of modern web applications. Yeah, so as compared to older tools, other tools, Playwright requires less configurations and gives more stability. Yeah, that's why Playwright is very popular nowadays. So many people still ask, should I learn Selenium or Playwright? So basically, Selenium is still widely used, but Playwright is a faster as compared to Selenium, and it has a better handling of dynamic elements as compared to the Selenium. And as compared to Selenium, Playwright requires less code, and it is a more suitable for modern UI frameworks. That's why many companies are moving from Selenium to Playwright, and mostly interviewers are also asking Playwright questions more frequently. Fourth, who should learn Playwright? So this series is useful for those who are beginner in automation testing, manual testers moving to automation, those Selenium testers who are upgrading the skills, and freshers preferring for QA rules. Also, developers, those are writing the UI tests. And even if you have a zero automation experience, you can follow this series. The fifth one is a complete Playwright roadmap overview. Yeah, now let me explain how this entire Playwright series is structured. I have divided this course into multiple phases. For example, the phase 1 is the introduction and setup. Here I'm going to discuss what is a playwright, playwright's features, what is a NPM, what is a NPX, how we run playwright, and the setup part of a playwright. In phase 2 is our first step. We are going to run our first script. It is a basic. In phase 3, we are going to demonstrate multiple types of locators, and then phase 4, a waiting mechanism. So, likewise, I have created 18 phases. So each phase will have a small focused videos. So the learning becomes a simple and more practical. So let me show you a few phases that I have created. So here you will see the introduction and setup phase 1, phase 2 for a first step, phase 3 for locator, phase 4 for a waiting mechanism, phase 5 for assertions. Yeah, so we will discuss in in coming lectures. Sixth, next agenda is how to watch this series. So I recommend a watch video in sequence with respect to phases and practice alongside. Pause and try example yourself and rewatch if it is required. Also, at the end of each video or a phase, I'll share one practical task, and I request you to please complete that before watching the next video. The next agenda is seventh, what you will learn in this phase one. So in this phase one, we will cover what is a playwright, how playwright works internally, that playwright installation and setup part, and we are going to discuss playwright project structure. And this phase build a strong foundation, so don't skip it. In the next video, we will start playwright features in detail. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you.